Hi viewers, I am Mehran Ali and you are watching Mehran TV YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about Chinua Achebe and his key facts. Chinua Achebe, born in 1930 in Igbo town of Ogidi in southeastern Nigeria. His father was a missionary instructor. So Achebe started his education at the Church Missionary Society's school, got higher education from Government College Muhia and University College Ibadan. His first collection of short stories, Girls at War and Other Stories, published in 1972. In 1970s was a time of growing nationalism in Nigeria, which started from 1940s. It had great influence on Achebe. He changed his name Albert to the Igbo name Chinua. He started his career in radio with Nigerian Broadcasting Corporation and also became its director soon. In 1958, his first novel, Things Fall Apart, published, which made him famous worldwide. Because of his creative works, he was invited first by the University of Nigeria and then by American universities of Massachusetts and Connecticut to teach. And he also spent a good time or a period teaching at that universities. After gaining worldwide fame by Things Fall Apart, Achebe wrote three more novels. No Longer at Ease in 1960, Arrow of God 1964, A Man of People 1966. The father of African novel in English, Chinua Achebe is known as the father of African novel in English. For him, writer should write for the social and political welfare of the country. He also wrote Ant Hills of the Savannah, finalist for Booker Prize in 1987. He had awarded honorary doctorates by the Universities of Stirling and Southampton. He also won the coveted Neil Gunn Fellowship Award by the Scottish Art Council. His style relies heavily upon the Igbo oral tradition, folk stories, proverbs, and oratory. From 2009 until his death in 21st March 2013, he served as a professor at Brown University in the United States of America.